Human-centered design is an essential mindset for students to be able to adopt, and it is essential because it is the future-ready skill. Students who have a human-centered design mindset are empathetic at their core. They take into account the needs and the experiences and the insights of people around them, and they leverage those pieces of information for problem solving, for service of their community, for improving the lives of people around them. And students who are emerging from our classrooms today are emerging into a world that is full of uncertainties and completely unpredictable. And so a need to adapt and to pivot and to collaborate meaningfully and communicate well with other people is essential. When students become experienced with design thinking, those skills and habits of mind become second nature to them.
One of the best things that I got out of it was learning about how to incorporate empathy and use that technique in my classroom and how to bring that together for the kids. Well, about the design aspect, that was a completely different way of actually thinking and learning about teaching that I had never used before. So that was super beneficial, not only like from a physical standpoint, but how to do that in my lesson planning.
I think today was really an experience of looking at empathy as a new twist on how I approach my classroom, to really design as it was. And I think for me, it gave me a reboot. Those children that are challenging in my classroom, that I have another set of tools, so I haven't depleted my bag of tricks to really connect and reach each child in my classroom, especially those challenging ones that I haven't really been able to get on board with the expectations in my classroom. So the importance of this workshop also just rejuvenated my work with my district in being on the implementation team for Ruler. We rolled out Ruler for our staff, and next year we're going to start with our students. And so this was also a great caveat or a great partner in my learning with Ruler and social emotional well-being.
People who attended this workshop came from lots of different grade levels and lots of different subject areas, from music teachers and culinary arts teachers to language arts teachers and elementary school teachers, and all of them found a stakeholder in their learning community that they were then able to serve using the skills that they learned today about design thinking. Some of them were working to advance the interests and fill the needs of their colleagues from a coaching perspective. Others were looking at individual students who were struggling to succeed in the structure of their classroom and how they might rethink the structure of their classroom to help those students. Others were looking at their curriculum, how they can incorporate design thinking exercises and opportunities for students into the curriculum that they already have as it exists.